Edifier with the SW1000 has also included a Texas Instruments DSP professional audio processing chip. Basically what this means is it ensures precise frequency division and crystal clear sound quality. So guys, whether you listen to music, movies, or gaming, the sound remains balanced and detailed. And as you can see, it's also got all the controls on the back of the speaker there, which you can see, which I really think is amazing too. So during testing, I played Led Zeppelin's Stairway to Heaven with my dad, and the experience was nothing short of magical. The clarity of the vocals, the separation of the instruments, and the richness of the bass gave us both goosebumps.